Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is "The One Arrest That Every Cop Fears." All right, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
Hey, get off!
I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do that.
Florida cops were called to a routine trespass complaint. Little did they know this call-out would end in a fatality.
What happened today, sir?
He came into my home and I told him he can't come in without permission. Yeah. So he violated my space. Then came and slammed my door. So he destroyed, yes, that's destruction of property.
Where is he currently?
He's currently in my area that I allowed him to stay in.
How long has he been staying here?
For a few months now.
Okay.
He needs to be evaluated or looked at or whatever you gotta do.
Okay.
Do you have any weapons on you?
He has no weapons on him.
Do you have any weapons on you?
I am the weapon.
Okay. Do you have any guns on you?
I don't use
All right.
guns.
Officers established that the original call is a civil matter and it looks like they're about to leave. However, they run some back.
Man, what he talking about? Y'all listen to the way he's talking, like to the officer. It's like sarcasm or the little slick. The officer is just asking, "Do you have any weapons?" I am the weapon. What the fuck? Or like he's explaining to them what shit is, like as far as like he came in, that is destruction of property, bro. They know what it is, bro. They like, what the like? Y'all hear the way he's talking to him?
Right
Came
now.
into my home and I told him he can't come in without permission.
Yeah.
So he violated my space. Then came and slammed my door. So he destroyed, yes, that's destruction of property.
Where is he currently?
He's currently in my area that I allowed him to stay in.
How long has he been staying here?
For a few months now.
Okay.
He needs to be evaluated or looked at or whatever you gotta do.
Okay.
Do you have any weapons on you?
He has no weapons on him.
Do you have any weapons on you?
I am the weapon.
Okay. Do you have any guns on you?
I don't use
All right.
guns.
Officers established that the original call is a civil matter and it looks like they're about to leave. However, they run some background checks on the homeowner and discover he may have provided them with a false name.
Elroy.
That's not my name.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is. You got a warrant for your.
Do you know?
You got a warrant for your arrest.
Calm down.
No one's calming
Don't
down?
listen to that man. Take off your glasses.
What is your name?
It's okay.
What's your name?
Take off. I told you, it's Ben Day.
It's not Ben Day. I got your picture pulled up, man.
That is
You're
not
Elroy.
Me. That is not me.
Okay,
How are
well-
you gonna tell me who I am?
Because I got proof. I got your picture.
That's proof.
I have your
bullshit.
ID. I have your ID.
That's bullshit. You got bullshit in your hands, in your eye,
Bro,
your car.
Calm down.
You're on my land. You're telling me to calm down?
You've got a warrant for your arrest.
I've been here peacefully making things happen in my world, in my space. I'm allowed to do that. I haven't troubled anyone. There's been no crime.
Here's what's going to happen.
There's no crime. It's a civil matter, and I said leave.
Here's
That's
what-
all that matters.
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen, it's a civil matter.
402 Central, give me track.
I am calm, and it's not about to be. It's not about to be. I want to stay calm. I want to stay calm.
If you fail to comply,
If you fail to comply to what I
You will
just
get
said, I
tased.
want to stay calm. If you fail to comply with what I just said, listen, I don't take
we're not
orders
doing
from
it.
you. Listen,
You're
do
about-
not touch me.
you're about to get tased.
For what?
You have a warrant for your arrest.
I do not have a warrant.
Put your hands behind your back.
I am Ben Day. Who's the warrant for?
For you.
For who?
For you.
Who's who? Who's you?
Listen.
Who's you?
Put your hands behind your back.
I am Ben Day. Do you hear what
We're gonna get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm gonna help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Who's who? Who's you?
Listen.
Who's you?
Put your hands behind your back.
I am Ben Day. Do you hear what I said?
Do you have an ID?
I am Ben Day. I'm
Do
on my
you have-
property. I'm not operating in commerce.
Do you have
Is
an
it
ID?
commerce?
The man is adamant that he is not Elroy Clark. Elroy has a warrant for a relatively minor trespassing charge. But whether this man is Ben Day, as he claims, or Elroy Clark, it's clear he has no intention of cooperating with officers, and the situation is about to spiral out of control.
You're about to get tased. I'm
Really?
not, yeah.
You're about to
100%.
tase me on my land.
I will.
You will do that.
I
What's your
will
name?
100% do it.
Splendor.
That's correct.
You will tase
Put your
a
hands
peaceful
behind your
man
back.
on his
They're
land.
about to get you together.
It is peaceful. Don't you feel the
Better
peace?
be
What are you
easy.
doing right now?
Okay.
So,
Okay. I forgot.
if you're mistaken,
You're mistaken?
if you're mistaken,
If you're mistaken.
we can get this all cleared out.
I am Ben Day.
Right.
That's
Let's-
what it
okay,
That's what it is. That's what it is.
what's your
That's
date of
all.
birth?
You're looking for who?
What's your date of
Who are
birth?
you looking for?
What is your date of birth?
Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for?
The date you're
Who
matching.
are you looking for?
Elroy.
Okay, you're matching.
You're not
Elroy
Elroy?
doesn't live here.
Okay, where does Elroy live?
I don't know. Go ask him.
Because Elroy's
Go
address.
ask him.
Elroy's address is here.
Go ask him.
Put your hands behind your
Go
back.
ask Elroy.
Put your hands behind your back.
Go ask Elroy.
I'm going to tell you one more time. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not matching anything. This is my estate.
Right, but keep
You
this
better
peaceful.
act
I am being
right,
peaceful.
boy. They
I have
about
no
to.
weapons on me, and I
Raise
told you
your
that.
voice, though.
I'm allowed to raise my voice. That's not
No,
against the
that's
law.
not
That's what decibel is it that I need to go past?
Put your
Do
hands
not
behind your
touch me.
Put your hands
Hey,
behind your
do
back.
not touch me.
Put your hands behind
Do
your
not
back.
touch me. I'm telling you, do not touch me.
I'm going to tase
If
you.
you tase me, it's gonna get hot in this bitch. And I'm telling you, it's gonna get hot.
Elroy.
I
I'm
can't say
telling you,
that,
it's gonna
sir.
get hot. I don't care. Go ahead.
I'm going to tase you.
All right. Let me.
Put
let
your
me-
hands behind your back.
Listen.
Put your hands behind your back.
He
Go
said
ahead
it's
and do
gonna
what you
get
gotta do.
hot.
Go ahead. Don't touch me though. You're not allowed to touch me.
Back up.
Maintain 1 arm distance from me for your
Ta-
own safety. and
Taser,
mine.
taser, taser.
Elroy, hey.
Tase him. Tase him.
Oh, he. Oh, he ate that.
OC, OC. Get on the ground.
I gave you everything. Don't touch me.
Stay on the ground.
Do not touch me. If you touch me, you're gonna see something you don't want to see.
Elroy, come on.
Get on the
Telling
ground.
you,
Come on.
for your safety.
Get on the
Nah, that boy ate that, boy. That boy ate that. Yeah, he ate that, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. That boy ate 2 tasers. Said, light, boy. Get up out of here. He said, what he said at the beginning, he said, I am the weapon. Oh my God.
ground.
Get on
I'm
the
telling
ground.
you.
Let's make this peaceful.
This is peace and love. This is peace and love.
Come on, Elroy.
This is peace
Get
and
on
love.
the- get on the
All right,
ground.
guys, peace and love.
Just get on the
Put your
ground.
hands behind your
Hands
back. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't touch me.
Elroy, come on.
I'm not Elroy.
What is your name again?
I'm Ben Day. This is my land. And do not shoot me with that shit again. Go ahead and hit me with that and let it bend. And then you'll see.
Back up.
Hit me with that and
Back
bend it.
up.
It's right here. It's okay.
Back up.
Hit me right here.
Ben Day.
Hit me. I'm
Bro,
giving you
back
permission.
up.
I'm giving you permission to show you so you can see. Why are you listening to this man?
He's trying to help you.
Why are you listening to this man?
He's trying to help you.
I'm not getting
They're on
gun.
the route.
Take your gun out and shoot me.
I'm not going to shoot you.
No, so you can see.
I don't want to shoot you.
So you can see.
I don't want to shoot you.
He got the
A
baton
third
out.
deputy arrived to back them
Do
up.
not touch me.
Put your hands behind your back.
I've been taken.
Get on the ground.
Okay.
On the ground.
Oh, damn.
Hands behind your back.
Yeah, but you tease me, motherfucker.
All right.
He tasing the shit out of him. He's still tasing him. Golly.
I'm better.
Come on. That other guy's scary, bro.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Stay down.
Ain't no
Stay
way.
down.
I've been You're gonna get shot, motherfucker. I'm telling you. You're gonna get fucking shot.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way, boy. 3 officers was tasing him on top of him, whatever, and y'all allowed him space and to maneuver y'all and to stand back up. Oh yeah, boy. They need SWAT or somebody, cause y'all niggas, y'all ain't good enough, boy. Y'all better just that ain't it. That ain't it. This ain't the right crew. Where the other boys at? Cause ain't no way 3 of y'all. I know he a big boy. I get it. Pause. Hey, yo, pause. Time out. That was a flagrant foul. Pause. You feel me? But I get it. You know what I'm saying? But it's three of y'all, bro. Like, and y'all got the tasers, the weapon, the baton. Y'all doing everything. Y'all allowed him to stand back up on his feet. Nah, it shouldn't go down like that.
Get on the ground.
It's not gonna work. You're incompetent. Get on the ground.
Get on the
No one's gonna get. No
Shot
one's
him
gonna
with
get
the taser
murdered.
We
again.
don't want to hurt you. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. That's my brother.
Benday, come on. Get on
It's
the
a
ground.
civil matter.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Now it's a civil matter, but you called them there.
This guy, he's a bad actor.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Come on, Benday. Just get on the ground. What is
Hello,
the problem?
K9.
Get on
This is a beanbag. You don't want this. Trust me. All right, you know what?
Oh, the little
Get on the
shotgun
ground.
joint.
You don't want this. You get water later. You can get on the ground now. Get on the ground. You're going to be beanbagged if you don't get on the ground.
Get on the fucking ground.
Who are you looking for? Get on the ground now. Who are you looking for? Get on the ground. You, Elroy. I'm not Elroy. Then get on the ground. We can sort it out. But you're going to be handcuffed in the meantime.
Yeah, them beanbags.
Get on the
That's
ground.
That's going
right now. Get on the ground. I don't know if I can take it. Less lethal. Less lethal. Less lethal. Get on the ground.
Oh, he eating
Get on the
that.
ground.
Times two.
Get on the ground.
I know. Get on the fucking ground, dude. The next thing.
Get on the ground.
Ooh. Oh, they hit him
Get on
with
the
that.
ground.
Act right.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Behind your back. Hands behind your back.
He hit him with the act right. Oh
As
my
it becomes clear the man's wounds will prove fatal, the deputy who fired upon the man begins to suffer a panic attack as he comes to terms with the fact that he has taken the man's life.
Hey, calm him down. Hey, breathe. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. In, out. In. Come on, face this way. Face this way. Deep breaths. Deep. No. Me.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. I'm
Deep
good.
breaths.
I'm good.
I know. Deep breaths. I want to hear deep breaths.
I got you.
You're good.
I didn't want to do
I
that.
know,
I didn't want to do that.
You have no choice.
You're fine. You're fine. Come on.
damn.
Oh, no. You're fine. Got you. Come on, my boy.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm breathing.
You gotta come sit in my car. Yeah. Come on, sit in my car.
The man, who was later correctly identified as Elroy Clark, died of his injuries shortly after the shots were fired. As we can see from a slowed-down replay of the incident, the deputy began firing upon Elroy as he started to charge him. After multiple shots fired, Elroy was able to make contact with the deputy's firearm. The deputy was able to break free and continued firing. He shot 14 rounds, although it's unclear how many struck Mr. Clark. One other deputy fired 1 round, although from the available footage, it appears this did not strike Mr. Clark. The Charlotte County Sheriff's Office has publicly endorsed the deputy's actions as consistent with department policy. Both officers who discharged their firearms have been placed on paid administrative leave while the FDLE and the state attorney's office complete their independent investigations. It's unknown whether criminal charges will be brought against these officers until the investigation is published early this summer. As officers began to investigate the scene, they found the area of the property that Clark's guest, Troy Johnson, had been occupying. It was a barn-like structure that was found to contain 384 suspected marijuana plants, along with a shotgun. After arrest, Mr. Johnson declared himself sovereign citizen Emperor Troy Bay and claimed that the state and federal courts lack jurisdiction over him. He has been charged with failing to register as a convicted felon, possession of a firearm by a felon, marijuana manufacture and possession with intent to sell, and possession of drug paraphernalia. He's due in court in July. Make sure you subscribe, as I'll be updating this case as more information becomes.
Golly, this incident caused a whole shitstorm, man. That officer hit him with that act right, though. Boy, you can't, it's hard to come back from that act right, boy. See, there's different levels of it, man, and that's the most lethal. Now, the only thing that I would say is like he didn't have a weapon, but nothing else worked. They tried to use all the less lethal things, and they not working. They not working. So, I mean, that's the next step. We gotta go that route. That's the last resort. And now we at a point where you charging at me trying to take my weapon. Ugh, excuse me. That officer had to hit him with that act right, man. And you know, it's not an easy thing to do. You know what I'm saying? And that's something that he's gonna forever have to live with, is taking somebody's life. You know, and that's not an easy thing to live with. I hope them officers keep their job. You know, I think they did the right thing. For me, I think I'm giving a 5 out of 5, man. I'm giving a 5 out of 5. They tried everything. Nothing was working. They trying to take him into custody. They tried the taser. They tried the beanbag. I think they even tried the spray too after the taser. Nothing is working. That's the last that, you know, sometimes cops don't even go to the less lethal. You know what I'm saying? They automatically just gonna gun you down. You feel me? Get you together. You know what I'm saying? Send you to the afterlife. Straight like that. You know, but these cops, the stressful situation, but they tried their best to not go that route. And that was the last straw, man. So 5 out of 5 for me, man. I hope them officers keep their job, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.